the fact that I've decided to go back to work means I'm okay. I went through the stages of grief and now I'm good.
Well, you kind of have a little glue about you for the past couple of days, so you look like you get over it.
Well, I'm not gonna pretend that I'm completely over it. I mean, it's a process, it takes time. And honestly, you are a part of that process, a huge part, actually.
I am so happy to know that I'm a part of the process. And Vanessa, you meet somebody you know, right? Ricardo!
Onion, what go on?
Come here.
Oh, your prissy-eyed cousin.
Ricardo, you can't walk come straight, you can walk all the way around. I'm seriously, I walk around, you know. Me not get it.
I'm sure he has an explanation.
Me need to hear this.
Hello.
Hi, Ricardo.
Hi, I'm Ricardo. Forgot to meet already.
Young man, focus. Why you walk all the way around this?
Tony, what is? And what that? You don't know say Clarks and Bush no mesh.
Told you he had an explanation.
You serious?
27k, you know. Now ramp with this, you know.
Okay, sir. So we are do up here today.
Are you come circle, you know? I'm low on stash, you know.
Stash?
Yeah. You done a few things out there, man.
You eat off everything when me get already?
Fire! How you talk about? How can I eat argument you talk about? You know something I eat to consume.
Alright, Ricardo. You see things them what Karim send in a barrel and only eat them can't eat, so you go dead for you hungry.
Knowing my cousin, you know, him not send things to eat, you know. So I know what you talk about.
Alright. Siki then. I'm so come.
Alright. Why are you doing so?
Mighty God. I'm serious. Huh?
Well, he did say it was 27,000. That's not chicken feed.
You notice how him turn fool when him see you?
Yeah, just boyish infatuation.
You want to go get something to eat?
Yes, I am famished.
Wow. I feel so good because a long time ago.
So, you have any description?
One of them always in a red and white pullover.
Alright. Remember, say, me come for the fish them Sunday. Alright. That's how it works. Whisper. You see that girl there with the phone in her hand?
Yeah.
Watch that youth there move towards her. Him in a red and black hoodie. Whisper, trying to give away your identity.
Yes. Get to my park. Calm, calm. Somebody are praying for. Walk with me. Donovan, send 2 units up a price right. See 3 you look suspicious and lurks around the place. Yeah man. One of them in a red and black sweater, one of them in a blue sweater, and the next one in a white beater. You mean? You know wife beater, brother? The Marina name some brother. And him have on a ripped jeans with that. Yeah man, as soon as possible, see?
You call it in?
Yeah. I tell Donovan to send in 2 units.